Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. My dear friends, today we are going to learn some phrases for general directions and place indications. So, before we jump into the sentences, let's understand some phrases or words. In that, the very first is go straight. In Gujarati, we can say Sida Jao. For go straight, in Gujarati, we can say Sidha Jao. The very next is turn left. Dabe Vado. Turn left. Dabe Vado. Turn right. Jamne Vado. Turn right. Jamne Vado. Stop here. અહીં ઊભા રહો. Stop here. અહીં ઊભા રહો. I am repeating one more time. Go straight. સીધા જાઓ. Turn left. ડાબે વળો. Turn right. જમણે વળો. Stop here. અહીં ઊભા રહો. Alright, my dear friends. Now, let's jump into the sentences. So, the very first sentence is go straight. The school is there. સીધા જાઓ. School ત્યાં જ છે. So, my dear friends, as we know, the meaning of go straight is સીધા જાઓ in Gujarati. So, go straight is equals સીધા જાઓ in Gujarati. So, the complete sentence will be સીધા જાઓ, school ત્યાં જ છે. So, my dear friends, in this sentence, the school is there, is there represents ત્યાં જ છે. The school is there. In Gujarati, we can say school ત્યાં જ છે. Is there is equals ત્યાં જ છે. Okay, I am repeating one more time. Go straight. The school is there. સીધા જાઓ. School ત્યાં જ છે. Alright. The very next sentence is turn left. The museum is there. ડાબે વળો. Museum ત્યાં જ છે. So, as we know, is there is equals ત્યાં જ in Gujarati. Is there is equals ત્યાં જ in Gujarati. Is there in Gujarati, we can say ત્યાં જ. Okay, I am repeating. Turn left. The museum is there. ડાબે વળો. Museum ત્યાં જ છે. Okay, and to complete sentence, we are using છે word at the last in Gujarati sentences. So, I am repeating one more time. ડાબે વળો. Museum ત્યાં જ છે. Turn left is equals ડાબે વળો in Gujarati. Alright. The very next sentence is turn right. The library is there. So, my dear friends, if you have noticed, just for you, I have made all the sentences very easy, short, and understandable so that you can learn Gujarati effortless. Okay. Now let's back to the sentence. Turn right, the library is there. Turn right, in Gujarati we can say જમણે વળો. પુસ્તકાલય ત્યાં જ છે. Turn right, the library is there. In Gujarati we can say જમણે વળો. પુસ્તકાલય ત્યાં જ છે. So, my dear friends, library is equals પુસ્તકાલય in Gujarati. Library is equals પુસ્તકાલય in Gujarati. Okay, I am repeating this sentence one more time. Turn right. The library is there. જમણે વળો. પુસ્તકાલય ત્યાં જ છે. Now you have idea about ત્યાં જ છે word. Okay, so I'm not repeating that over here. Let's jump into the next sentence. Stop here, the bridge is near now. Stop here, the bridge is near now. અહીં ઊભા રહો, પુલ હવે નજીક છે. So, my dear friends, in this sentence, stop here is equals અહીં ઊભા રહો. Stop here. In Gujarati, we can say અહીં ઊભા રહો. And for the bridge is near now, we can say પુલ હવે નજીક છે. So as we know, the bridge is equals પુલ in Gujarati. The bridge is equals પુલ in Gujarati. And for near, we can use નજીક. And for near, we can use નજીક. Okay, then the complete sentence will be અહીં ઊભા રહો, પુલ હવે નજીક છે. Okay, I am repeating one more time. See, stop here means અહીં ઊભા રહો. The bridge is near means પુલ હવે નજીક છે. Bridge is equals પુલ. Bridge is equals પુલ. And for near now means હવે નજીક છે. Okay, it's very simple. Let's have some more words or phrases. This way. આ બાજુ. This way. In Gujarati, we can say આ બાજુ. That way. તે બાજુ. That way. તે બાજુ. Opposite side. સામેની બાજુ. Opposite side. સામેની બાજુ. Beside it. તેની બાજુમાં. Beside it. તેની બાજુમાં. I am repeating one more time. This way. આ બાજુ. That way. તે બાજુ. Opposite side. સામેની બાજુ. Beside it. તેની બાજુમાં. Okay, it's very simple. Let's jump into the sentences. In that, the very first sentence is there is a temple beside it. તેની બાજુમાં એક મંદિર છે. I am repeating. There is a temple beside it. તેની બાજુમાં એક મંદિર છે. So, my dear friends, as we know, the meaning of temple in Gujarati is mandir. For temple in Gujarati, we can say mandir. And for beside it, we can use તેની બાજુમાં. For beside it, we can use તેની બાજુમાં. Okay, so the complete sentence will be તેની બાજુમાં એક મંદિર છે. I am repeating one more time. There is a temple beside it. તેની બાજુમાં એક મંદિર છે. Alright guys, it's very simple. The very next sentence is there is a shop on the opposite side. There is a shop on the opposite side. સામેની બાજુ એક મેડિકલ શોપ છે. સામેની બાજુ એક મેડિકલ શોપ છે. Or we can say સામેની બાજુ એક શોપ છે. It's very simple. For opposite side in Gujarati, we can use સામેની બાજુ. For opposite side in Gujarati, we can use સામેની બાજુ. And then the rest sentence as it is. And the rest sentence will be as it is. There is a shop on the opposite side. સામેની બાજુ એક મેડિકલ શોપ છે. Okay, opposite side in Gujarati we can say સામેની બાજુ. Okay, I am repeating one more time. There is a shop on the opposite side. સામેની બાજુ એક મેડિકલ શોપ છે. Okay, the very next sentence is the market is this way. બજાર આ બાજુ છે. The market is this way. બજાર આ બાજુ છે. It's very simple and short sentence. The market is this way. So in Gujarati, this way is equals આ બાજુ. For this way in Gujarati, we can say આ બાજુ. For this way in Gujarati, we can say આ બાજુ. And for market, we can say બજાર in Gujarati. For market, we can say બજાર in Gujarati. So the complete sentence will be બજાર આ બાજુ છે. બજાર આ બાજુ છે. The very next sentence is the garden is that way. The garden is that way. બગીચો તે બાજુ છે. બગીચો તે બાજુ છે. So for that way in Gujarati we can say તે બાજુ. You remember, for this way we can say આ બાજુ. And for that way we can say તે બાજુ. So the complete sentence will be બગીચો તે બાજુ છે. બગીચો તે બાજુ છે. બજાર આ બાજુ છે. Okay, I'm just giving you difference between these two sentences. The garden is that way. બગીચો તે બાજુ છે. For garden in Gujarati we can say બગીચો. For garden in Gujarati we can say બગીચો. Okay, I am repeating this sentence one more time. The garden is that way. બગીચો તે બાજુ છે. ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર my dear friends to watching this video. I hope you are enjoying my all the videos and learning Gujarati very well. Dear friends, kindly share this link with your friends, your family, so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more and more videos. We'll meet again. Aabhar. Jai Shri Krishna.